So I am in the car right now. I'm currently, y'all, this be going, I'm supposed to be going somewhere for lunch, but like the place that I was going to is closed. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm going now. What's today? Yeah, today is Monday. I feel like I want to do a solo day tomorrow because I love to go to the movies. And going to the movies alone and just not having somebody talk in your ear. I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I go to the movies and when it's a movie that I really been wanting to see and I'm with somebody, it's like they always fucking it up. The people don't know how to be quiet, especially black people. Like, shut up, please. Like, what's the point of going to the movies if you gonna talk? I can't even enjoy the film. Chill. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just here venting. Mozzie in the back seat. I don't know if I can see him. On his tablet. Is he asleep? Mozzie. Mozzie. Oh. My bad. What the hell? Hey y'all. So I am back home. I did go get lunch. And well, I should say an early dinner for real. Because I don't think I'm eating no more. This is all the stuff that I didn't put away when I went and picked up my groceries, so I'm about to do that now. I did put like most of the stuff away, but I just didn't get a chance to put everything away. I pretty much got most of my cleaning done. I do need to wash those dishes, and I have some ground beef. I got some ground beef in here. This that I need to put into Ziploc bags. Popping out here because I wanted to show y'all what I have recently ordered from Mozzie. A lot of stuff that I got him to because I know like a lot of parents use it for their toddlers who have autism. And then like in one of these packages, like this one, I don't know which package is what, so y'all gonna be just as surprised as I am. So let's just get into it because I don't want this to be too long. This box, oh, it's some shoes. I did order him some shoes. He doesn't like shoes, like at all. Like he literally, if I put him on his shoes and we walk out the door, by the time after I put him in the car, by the time I sit down in my seat and I put my seatbelt on, his shoes are off, literally. But I got him these. I thought these were so cute, and I like the colors. But that he doesn't have, I just mostly get him like black shoes and stuff like that. I got him these. I thought these were so cute. Some black jeans. Hopefully he can properly fit these because he is tall. What you need? You want a toaster? The Pop Tart? Yes. Please eat it. No, just take one thing. I'm trying to move through this fast. I got another pair of jeans. This is a color that he doesn't have in jeans. Well, actually, he does have khaki, but not like denim material. Why? But like I said, he's tall. He's literally 3'1" already. So, yeah. Next, I think this is a hoodie. And it just looks like this. This is the front. Super cute, super cute. No, this is the back. I'm sorry, y'all. The front just looks like this. Plain, nothing on it. I got this long sleeve shirt. It just looks like this. This is the only thing that's on it. I know for sure he can fit that. Next, I have this hat with his initials on it. Ooh. Where's this stuff? It's cute. He doesn't really like hats either, and it stretches, so that's really good. He doesn't like hats. He doesn't like anything other than a shirt and jeans. And even my bad, y'all. Even like sometimes when he's like wearing like a shirt and jeans, he sometimes doesn't even want to wear that. So yeah, it just depends. I got him this shirt. Super, super cute. And this. It's cute. It's like made into the cloth. For some reason, I just thought it was going to be like kind of like the same material as like that other sweatshirt where it's like a 3D type of material, if that makes sense. But it's still cute. Big timing because his other cup broke. This is so tiny. His other cup broke, but he definitely gonna put this to use. Probably for just like water. He love water. Like he drinks a lot of water per day. Like, I don't know, it kind of surprises me, but it shouldn't surprise me because this is a musical tree that I got him that I think he'll really, really like. So I'm definitely excited for this. I kind of thought this was gonna be in a bigger box because I wanted it to be taller than what it is, but it's good kind of because I can kind of see if he likes it, and then I can just give him the bigger one later on. This is just like a picture that I have to put like in a frame. And I will show y'all that process. I'm gonna show y'all the process of me redecorating his room very, very soon. The other stuff for me to redecorate his room actually came today. So, cause y'all seen his room, it's the black and white room, the room with the black and white comforter. Damn, I can't get that. And surprisingly, that's the first thing that's in here. Oh, first thing that comes up is just these are helps with like sensory sensory like stimulation and stuff like that, and helps with like him touching different textures, and they just kind of fun to play around with. So I did get him these. He has a few. He has some that his therapist has given him, And then he had some that I bought from like Dollar Tree, but mine just be, I swear, stuff just disappears. And I'm only in an apartment, but even then, like, I could never find this stuff. This is his comforter. I decided to go with a dinosaur theme. I thought this was so cute. I've literally been looking at this for so long, so I decided to get it. I got this for Mozzie's room. I'm actually going to order me one because y'all, I be having trouble. My mind just be everywhere in the morning. So I actually want to get me one and put it in the bathroom and have his by his door, because I kind of want us to just be on a schedule and be in sync. So as he's growing older, it's like, you know the routine. We all know the routine. So yeah, I got this and I'm actually ordering me one. Stuff is tiny. Look at this tiny ass puzzle. You can see why the prices is what it is. This was $2, but it's a puzzle. It's a puzzle. This gonna be still good because it gives his favorite foods a name. So we can work on that. This is an activity that he does with his therapist. Y'all probably can't see the pieces, but you just put them in here. And I ordered these as well. You can also use these and put these in here. This also comes with like cups, and you can sort the balls by color. So I got him that activity that I got, and this is just like putting the pieces through screens. It helps with hand-eye coordination and stuff like that. These little trucks, cars, different ones that I can use like while we're doing like school stuff. It's kind of like the same as this. It's just a different texture. Same idea, same concept. This is like one of those pop things. I got this because he actually likes those. He has a really big one. This is another toy, but we're gonna use it for school. Another puzzle, just with shapes. Super cute. And this is a free rotation shape. You just make different shapes with it. Next, I got him a book bag to match, and it matches his room. Super cute. Definitely needed that. He got like some soft books because he be chewing shit up. Yeah, it's crazy. Cause Mozzie's like iron was low, and I called his doctor. I'm like, I think his iron is low, because he just like randomly started chewing on paper and eating. Well, he always ate ice, so I never minded that. I never thought that was a problem. But then he just randomly started like chewing up paper, and I just was like this is not So yeah, his iron was low, but before then I had ordered these and it just not coming. So yeah, we still gonna put them to use. Next, I got him this. This is just like something that you chew on. Like if you see this can't be the only one. Yeah, here's another one, red as well, and it's just like in the shape of like a Lego. But yeah, you wear it as a necklace, or he will wear it as a necklace, and he could like whenever he get the urge to chew on something, he could just chew on this and not on other stuff. I got this to match his room. It's just like a clothes hamper. Another puzzle is just the planets. All the planets, super cute. I think this is another pair of shoes. Black, of course. Super cute, super basic. That's tea, Mozzie. That's not what you think it is. It's not juice. You're gonna be bringing it right back. These are just the curtains to match his room. And I have like these little eggs that you break apart, and I think it shows like a shape. This, yeah. And this is like another sensory thing, sensory activity. The last item in that box is this peekaboo set. I was looking at this because I seen this on Miss Rachel, but I be trying to find stuff in other places first before I go and spend $20, $30 on Amazon. But yeah, same thing, but for a different, a better price. Same concept. So that's gonna be really good. I try to get him all stuff that can motivate him to start talking. Cause I did mention like in my other video that he is non-verbal right now. Or I should say he's not speaking yet. Cause he will speak. Oh. Hi, look at the camera. Look. He see all this stuff. Look. You see right here? Thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know how you enjoy this video. And yeah, thank you guys.